Bhaskar Garg, Director HRDF. First, I would like to give thanks to our moderator, panel moderator, Sadhana. And my topic is a little bit not that much technology serious games. It's educational games for learning sustainability, concept by youth and community members. This is what we do apart from the designing games. We have sustainability and entrepreneurship space style we have. Under this, we have alternative education programs and all learning activities we will plan for this whole program. And these are the activities and some partners we have UNEP or like we have a serious game UNEP DHI Eco Challenge. This we are promoting in the schools. It's for water resource management, and we are other partners also. I skip and come to my work. Our games are played in informal kind of settings as after school programs. Okay, and we have most of the students we have government schools and students from the government schools. They have like low income background also, and our objective is learning through games and learning through games and learning with games. What does this mean? We will try two kind of situations in which we have some board games and the students play through games and they learn the concepts through playing the games. Another kind of situations is we will have certain concepts related to sustainability and from curriculums like light, volcano, earth structure, plant identification, and we create hands-on activities for them and they are able to understand concepts. We do this study for last more than 2 years and try to understand how can games introduce various topics, learning experience and improvement in learning through games. So we will collect feedback, pre-post knowledge test we have, and we have conducted this study around 75 youth students from both, as I told you, and games are from the different sources. We have external, as I told you, some online games are from the external sources. Some games we have designed based on the human work interaction design framework, theoretical framework, and we keep what are the working scenarios and we design. And our games promote, these are the concepts like water cycle, disaster risk, medicinal plants, water species. So we have taken which subject. So we have mapped from sustainability or sustainable development goals, what are the concepts required and how we can map in the school level. So we have the subject, age group, learning outcome, like for example in the water cycle first one, where children learn all steps of water cycle. So we have a game, board game, and they are trying. Feedback is it not only they are able to learn the water cycle, but they are more curious about the other concepts also. This is what this is what we are talking about, water resource management. This game is online serious game for students of 9th class to 12th class. It's about the river basin management. You have to play online and have to manage water resources, water requirement. There are so many requirements, industrial, agricultural, home, and student has to manage for that. So it can be played both for 3 days online during the competition time. What are our findings? We use games for, as you have seen, related to some specific curriculum topic that can be climate change, water cycle, disaster, energy, and they learn those concepts and they are able to learn about the sustainable development also. They are also curious about the English because their background is more or less Hindi medium. So they are also learn to how we can improve our English. They also learn about the gender equality through games, personality development, and also some of the members who played these games and they are still with us. They are now they embed these principles and they are now becoming a smart guru in their locality, in their community. They are now guiding further the students, so they become smart gurus. And this is already I told you. We are able to create sustainable development goals awareness and foster learning habits like waste. We try to how to reduce waste through games and like energy habits, energy saving habits. We try to, and these are the references. These top 3 are for SWID references. This is our references, and these are the some pictures we have for different activities related to this. And as I from our Bhagavad Gita, nothing is so pious as knowledge. We would like to create a knowledge base. Thank you.
Thank you very much. We've now had 2 of our presentations, certainly both very interesting. Looking forward to the next 2. If you'd like to come up, please.